Dear Zimbabweans, I have been given these instructions by the Moreblessing Ali family on the arrangements for her burial tomorrow. Moreblessing Ali's remains will be taken from the funeral parlor tomorrow morning and arrive at a house in Nyatsime at 8 a.m. From 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. there shall be a church service to be conducted by the members of a church. After the church service, all the speeches shall be made at Moreblessing Ali's house. The body will depart a house at 11 a.m. to Zororo Cemetery, which is located on the border between Chitungwisa and Harare, and arrive at the cemetery at 12 p.m. From 12 p.m., the burial rituals will commence. The family is pleading to all those who are going to mourn with them to maintain peace so as to pay our salutary respect to our heroine who was gruesomely murdered for her political beliefs. The family has also advised me that they would like to thank all those who stood with them during the grueling 2 years when Moreblessing was not buried. The family is now desirous